Hello friends, I am Shukarna. Welcome to my channel Friendship with Biology. Today I will discuss with you function of leaf and modification of leaf. So let's start friend with function of leaf. Leaf is very important part of a plant. Leaf have two important function. Number one, photosynthesis, another one, transpiration. So friend, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis have two separate words. One photo, another one synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means combining. So friend, photosynthesis means combining by light. Here combining of CO2 and water and produce oxygen and glucose. So friend, now discuss what is autotrophic organism. So friend, autotrophic organism means the organism that produce their own food. Here plant produce their own food, so plant is known as autotrophic organism and the nutrition of plant is known as autotrophic nutrition. Plant produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Friend, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process in which carbon dioxide combined with water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it produce glucose and oxygen. So it is the reaction of photosynthesis and here the end products are glucose and oxygen. Now friends, what are the requirements for photosynthesis? First one, carbon dioxide comes from air, water comes from soil, sunlight is a source of energy and chlorophyll is present on leaves. What are the significance of photosynthesis friends? In the process of photosynthesis, plant produce food that is taken by plant and animals both. Another one significance is plant gives oxygen that is taken by plant and animal for the process of respiration. Friend, what is transpiration? Root of the plant continuously absorb water from the soil and by the stem water transported to the all part of the plant including leaves. Leaves use less amount of water for the process photosynthesis and maximum amount of water released in the form of water vapor by evaporation. This total process is known as transpiration. So friend, transpiration means water in the form of water vapor releases from the surface of leaves by the process of evaporation. Result of transpiration is cooling effect. What is cooling effect friend? By the process of transpiration, plant leaves water in the form of water vapor by evaporation. Evaporation absorbs heat of plant. That's resulting plant cool itself. That is cooling effect. So friend, one question arises. Why do we feel cool on standing under a tree during summer? It is not entirely by shade of plant, but it is due to loss of water in the form of water vapor by the process of transpiration. Evaporation leaves cooling effect. Surrounding air cools, so the heavier air settles down. By this way, we feel cool on standing under a tree during summer. We all know that by process of transpiration, plant evaporates water. Root continuously absorb water from the soil to make up water loss due to transpiration. Root absorb salt along with water from soil. This salt is important for plant for growth. So, by the process transpiration cool, plant neutralize itself. Now friend, let's start with discussion of modification of leaf. In some plant, complete leaf or part of leaf modified to perform special function. In case of few weak stem plant, leaf can be modified into leaf tendril. This is found in sweet pea plant. Here, leaf tendril is very much sensitive to touch. When it touch to anything, it coil around themselves and it help to climb up the tree. Then, in some plant, leaf modified into spine. This is found in cactus and prickly poppy plant, and this spine help to reduce loss of water. In case of few plant, leaves modified into either thick and fleshy or thin or dry scale leaves. This is found in ginger and onion. It provides protection to bird and also store food. Insectivorous plant means that trap insect to meet the nitrogen demand. So, first insectivorous plant is pitcher plant. This pitcher plant size varies from 10 to 20 centimeter. Here the lamina modified into pitcher and apex of leaf form lead. Petiole become leaf-like structure to produce food. When ant or insect sit on the rim of the pitcher, then lid closes. An enzymatic secretion occurs by pitcher and that digests the animal protein. It is found in Garo and Khasi hills of Meghalaya. In this area, their soil is deficient in nitrate. So, the pitcher plant utilize insects protein in converting it into nitrates. Friend, another insectivorous plant is Venus flytrap. In this plant, leaves have long pointed hair. This can be divided into two parts. Midrib present in between these two parts. When insect present this middle part, then this part closes and that trap the insect and plant digest animal's protein. Another insectivorous plant is bladderwort. It has highly segmented leaves that arise bladder-like structure. When insect present, entry point of bladder closes and plant's enzyme digests insect part. So friend, what is vegetative propagation of leaf? Plants mainly propagate by seeds, but some cases plant propagate by root, stem or leaves. This propagation is known as vegetative propagation. If plant propagate vegetatively, then there is some criteria like plant must store food, plants have adventitious roots and stem leaves. Like leaves of bryophyllum produce bud. When it fall into soil, it produce new plant. So friend, keep watching my video, like it, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.